Did you know? From just a small branch, we can create new life. In today's video, I'll show you a simple way to propagate plants at home, helping you multiply them quickly and effectively. Your like and subscribe make this little garden bloom. Thank you. My rose plant has become old, so I cut a small branch to propagate a new young plant. One small comment from you can make this garden bloom brighter. Today, I'll show you how to propagate a rose using its flower bud. First, I cut the rose bud and remove all the leaves on the stem so it can focus its nutrients on root growth instead of maintaining the leaves. If you're still watching, please leave a like. It means the world to me. Garlic acts as a natural pesticide. It helps repel pests, kill fungi and harmful bacteria, and stimulates healthy plant growth without using toxic chemicals. This traditional method is both effective and safe for plants and the environment. So, I chop the garlic, mix it with water, and add a little rooting hormone powder. Then soak the rose cutting in the mixture to start propagation. After soaking the rose cutting for 10 minutes, I take it out and plant it directly into an aloe vera stem. Aloe vera's natural gel is rich in nutrients and moisture, helping the cutting develop roots faster, stay hydrated, and grow more vigorously. That's why I insert the cutting directly into the aloe stem to make the most of its natural goodness. It's amazing! After just a few days of propagation, the rose cutting has developed strong roots and started to sprout new shoots. Every subscribe is a drop of water for this little green world. Now, I'll take the plant out and use two 700 milliliters cups filled with soil to replant it. This method helps the plant absorb nutrients from the soil more effectively, strengthens the roots, and allows it to recover quickly after propagation. It's an important step for helping the plant adapt to the soil environment before being planted permanently. Your one like keeps this tiny garden alive. Don't let it wither. After finishing the propagation, I gently spray water over the plant to keep it moist, helping it absorb nutrients and grow better. Every comment, every subscribe is a small seed of hope. Thank you.